Hello, everybody. Welcome back. It's Mo again. Well, this time we're going to be continuing with how can we actually back up Active Directory, right? Using the GUI. The last session what we had is we installed Windows Server Backup. And remember, we added additional storage. So check this out. Let me just go ahead and log on to my server. Let's give it a few seconds. All right. There we go. So I do have the Windows Server Backup up and running. Let me just close it. So if I go to Tools and then Windows Server Backup. And let me also show you my directory service. I do have a few OUs, and every OU has users, groups, and computers, which is actually good. Now, where is the database of Active Directory? Check this out. So if I explore Windows, and I go to my C drive. So we have it under the default location, Windows. Then I have a folder called NTDS. The actual database itself is NTDS.dit. Now, what makes up the database of Active Directory is actually lots of files. I mean, don't forget that the sysval also has the group policies. But if you want to think about a technical term, it's called the system state data. That's the database of Active Directory. I'm going to actually minimize this and just show you something here. Go back to Server Manager, Tools, Computer Management, and let me initialize a hard drive first. All right, we need to back up Active Directory to an actual hard drive. So let me just create an actual partition on this drive. I'll use all the space, all right, and quick format, and I'm just going to call this, let's say, AD backup. Next and finished. So I'll be backing up Active Directory to the E drive. So if I go back to Windows Server Backup, right, and I choose Backup Once, so this is the GUI. Next, I'm not going to do the full server. Of course not. That's like cheating. All right. So I'm going to choose Custom and Next and Add Items and check this out. System state. That's the only thing I need to do if I want to back up Active Directory. So I'm choosing the system state data. Then OK, right? Then next, back it up to what? Local drive. Yes. Next. Right. Backup destination is going to be the E drive. I have lots of space there. And I'm going to go next and choose backup. All right. This is a GUI. In our next lecture, I'm going to show you how to do it through the command line. So let's give this a moment. As long as it starts, then I'll pause the video and I'll come back later to you folks. All right, so let's just give it a few more seconds. It's always good to have a backup of AD just in case you lost any object you have the chance to recover. So let's make sure it's actually started. There you go. As long as I get some percentage, all right? Right? As long as I get some percentage that is not failing. See, it says backup not started yet. And it's for the system state. That's what I'm trying to back up the system state, which is Active Directory. Okay, let's give it a few more moments and see how this actually works out for us. Okay, good. So this is actually good. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to actually pause the video, and when it's going to take a while. Maybe I would say at least 15, 20 minutes, and we'll come back to you folks later. All right? All right. See you guys later. All right, folks, check this out. It's completed. All right. It took around like 20 to 25 minutes. So it did take a while to finish the actual backup. What I'm going to show you in our next lecture is how to back up using the command line. So we'll see you folks soon. All right. Bye.